Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already imported a video to my CapCut and I want to add a logo. So what you need to do is add the logo as overlay. So click on the overlay button and add overlay. Then select your logo. So here I'm going to add the logo. So make sure that you add a logo with no background on it. So the logo with PNG or transparent background like this. Adjust the line to match with the video. And now adjust the position of the logo. So I'm going to put it on the right or left corner of the video like this at the top. And if you want, you can also add animation. Here I'm going to add combo animations to my logo. For example, I'm going to add this sway out animation. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. Bye!